So my story is very simple. When it comes to internal martial arts, for 100 days I practiced Zhan Zhuang from the Hunyun posture or hanging tree posture. For 100 days I did 1 hour every day, and it drastically changed my Kung Fu. Began to really understand the internal principles. And from that, what I did is I created video tutorials, which is available on Gumroad. You can click the link in this channel description or the pinned comment to get the video tutorials that teaches you how to use standing meditation from the Hunyun posture, the hugging the tree posture, to develop internal power or Jin, and how to use it martially. So these video tutorials is not just about using it from a Tai Chi perspective, but whether you do Xingyi or Xingyi, Lu He, Chuan, or Ba Guao, or any other style, or even boxing, or even modern combat sports, it can help you. You don't have to do it for an hour, but what I discovered, obviously I was first doing it for like when I started 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. When I eventually got to an hour, but it's not even about the hour, it's about doing it consecutively. Everyday training, you begin to understand how the internal force travels from the feet up the hips and waist to the hands. It teaches you all of that, and it's available. You know, it's at a discount price when you click the link. It's only for $100. Now the good thing about this is people who train for years, especially as it is known in the traditional Kung Fu community society, they'll train for years before the masters divulge these things. There are other, obviously, of course, masters that are more open. But just from standing meditation, added with certain drills, as you'll see in the video tutorials, it will help you to understand these principles, and when you apply that, it is really worth it. You know, I do also offer some guidance, but just from that, it will really help you. So I really suggest you check it out or don't. It's all up to you, but it really comes with value. And my personal story is that as I did this stuff, as I trained, as I practiced, it really made a huge difference. Thank you.